So I've got these really cool lunch pails here for my kiddos, and these are really, really nice. They've got a handle at the top. They have a nice wide design so that you can easily put like a container in them. There's a little zippered area right here at the top where you can put your fork or your silverware or whatever. And then inside here, you've got this nice water resistant material that's easy to wipe and also keeps your food hot or cold depending on what you're serving. There's a little mesh area here where you can put other food and snacks. So they come in different colors as well. There's not only a handle on top, but there's one here on the side, and they have good quality double zippers that have like a little pull on them to make them easier to zip and unzip. I'm gonna go ahead and pack one of these. Guys, go ahead and put some meat and some cheese in here.
Yay.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. Put some meat in there.
I'll put the meat. Meaty. Meat. The meat and the cheese.
Go ahead and put it in there.
You can do cheese too. Cheese. Yay.
Okay guys, put it inside of your lunch pail right there.
Inside my lunch pail.
Okay, now zip it up.
Yes.